Alright, so once you're done with the slash animation, just apply it, and don't forget to make it loopable. Now this won't be played at the loop mode because instead we would play it at the once. You need to turn it to the once mode because whenever the player press the left mouse button, only then we need to play this animation, and only once, not have to repeat it over and over again. So but for the demonstration purpose, we will play it at loop mode to see. Yeah, and you can see that now. So when I click it, it will give that effect. It's great. Not the perfect yet, but it's okay. So yeah, just at the end, don't forget to choose the once wrap mode. Now we're done with this, I guess, with the run and all the animation. I'm gonna apply this so that it will save all the changes we did to this prefab, and we'll delete that. Now we need to move on to the last one, I guess, the main player with the gun. Now in this one, I think I'm not gonna show you the idle, the walk and the run animation, but I will show you the shooting and the reloading animation. So I think that's important because the idle and walking and running animation I've already demonstrated like twice, so you should be able to do it yourself. So in this animation, what we'll do is we'll actually be given the shooting effect. That is, when we shoot the gun, it kind of applies the force backwards, so which means the hand goes a bit back. But also will show when the gun when we're shooting the gun, there's a kind of part of the bullet is getting out. I'll show you what I'm trying to say in a minute. Before that, you need to follow. If you just really have this arm and this gun, then you need to follow exactly what I do from here. Just have to go all the way to the gun, where the gun is actually. So it's in the right arm, so I'm gonna go to right shoulder, right arm, right forearm, and then right hand, and then there is 1911. This is the gun. Now this is the gun, you can see. Now there's an object called slide, which is this. Now we need to first take on the mag, that is the child object. So we need to take that out. So why is that? Because we want to work with this slide, but the problem is the slide has a child object which is mag. So whenever we try to move it, you see the mag is also moving along with that, so we don't want that. So we need to first take the mag out. So click on 1911. So now it's out. Now we can just simply work with the slide alone, so the mag will not move with that, right? So what I'm saying, when the user shoot the gun, this will go a bit back and the bullet will get out of it. The bullet will eject basically. So now once this is done, I need you to go to game object and create a cylinder, not that big of course. Just slow it down. First and foremost, take out the collider, we don't need that, and then just reduce the size of the bullet. Just make it quite that way. Yeah, just rotate it and just align it perfectly, so it's, yeah, perfect now. Yeah, perfect. Now just see, now it's perfect. So this will be put it inside that, right, just up here. Okay, let me see that. There's no need to add more detail to that one, doesn't matter. So alright, keep it up here, call it bullet. Now just drag it on to 1911. Alright, just yeah, one more important thing. just we need to add a material to that one. So go to material folder, we'll create one. So from here we press create and then material, call it golden, I don't know, color. So just apply this onto, not onto this, not onto that, just on this. And then you know what, texture, we don't want that, we want the golden color that the bullet has now. Now to make it shiny, most of the golden bullets look shiny, so we have to give it a shader called specular, so then it has that, and then increase the shininess of it so it looks good. Yeah, it looks great. Anyway, just golden color, we got that, right? So just put it inside it. Right, perfect. Alright guys, just realize for animation, these two objects are not being detected by the animation tool. So what we have to do is, just click on the slide and bullet and put it onto right hand. That is, we need to remove it out of the 1911, so they are now independent. Only then the Unity recognize it, otherwise it doesn't recognize it. Alright, so go to window, animation, create a new one, and then gun shooting animation, replace it. Yeah, go to add curves, we need right hand only and not forearm and other crap. Yeah, right hand, go to rotation, and then the bullet, we need to slide to rotation. Now we're done. Let's check to see whether or not it's being, yeah, it detects it. See, yeah, perfect. So now we're good to go. We'll see what the outcome is. Alright, so at the first second, what we want to do is basically it's really shoot it. So when it shoot it, the hand will go kind of backward, given that effect. So at the first second, obviously you want to rotate it back, that yeah, we actually hit it. Yeah, that much is good. Or actually I just did too much. That much is great, because if it was magnum, then yeah, it's quite sensible to do that again. So now at the second, yeah, second, this will come back, or maybe hold on, at the first second only we need the slide actually to get back a bit. Yeah, that makes sense now. Okay, perfect. Yeah, perfect. And at the same time the bullet will get out. Yeah, the next half a second I'm gonna do that. So now from here I'm gonna throw that bullet out, so it's gonna kind of rotate a bit, and then this bullet again rotates a bit. Want to show that effect, of course, so the player can see it now. Yeah, see that? This is how it's gonna be. We see here we put the slider back. Now it's our job to put it, back to its original position. So when it's done, yeah, exactly at that time the slide will go back to its original position, which is this, I believe. Alright, no, it doesn't matter, just put it there, because at the end, which is this frame, will correct it. Alright, so we're done quite nicely. This is what it is, and bam, perfect. I think the bullet is coming out kind of very slowly, so let's fix that too. Basically we need to change these frames, just make it 20 frames per second. It's kind of great now. Yeah, obviously we need to speed up this animation. So let's make it 30 frames per second. This will be made at 1 frames per second because yeah, this is a very fast effect I want to give. From here 120 I guess. Let's see. Oh yeah, one more thing guys. um, Alright, one more thing. The bullets right here, um, at the original position we need to kind of wait it fast, have to disable it, you know. So no, not disable it, actually just need to put back to its original position up here. So the bullet, where's the bullet? Here it is. I want to kind of drop it down so it's not visible anymore. So it's down, yeah. And at the end position we need to restore its original position, yeah, where the hell the bullet is. Just go back. Where's the bullet? Uh-oh. Alright. So here's the problem guys. At the first frame every object is at perfect place, but at the end frame the bullet is somewhere else here. It is supposed to be at its original position. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna copy the bullet's actual position and rotation. So just open up Notepad if you have it in your computer, of course. So just store the position of the bullet. Where is the bullet? Yeah, all the values, x-axis, y-axis, or I can remember it, but it's kind of difficult to remember all the 6 values. What? There's only 5 values up here. Oh shit. Let me check it once again. Yeah, done. So at the end point I want to go over to the bullet and set its position. So it's back onto its original position. Remember, this step is very important in animation. You need to get back to your original position, otherwise you'll just mess it up. I think rotation and everything is same, but it's good to be double sure, you know. Alright, let me check it. Yeah, it's so already in its original position. So let me see the final output of it. There's no bullet. Yeah, I can see the bullet is getting back up here, and it's not noticeable at least. Alright. Okay. So now I need to make it faster, of course. So make it 20 frames per second, I guess. Let's see. No, you know what? 10 frames per second. This should really gives us the effect we want. It has to. Yeah, perfect. Yeah. However, the bullet is still bothering me because, you know, at the very first time you see it's getting out, it's ejecting from the gun very naturally but falling kind of way too faster. So yeah, just at this position I want to throw it kind of a bit down up there, and at this frame, where's the bullet? I want it to be visible. The other frame, Now why I did that is because where's okay, just wait. You'll notice that. Uh-oh. It's going crazy now. Okay, it's because of this two frames. What are these doing here? Okay, oh shit. Okay. Alright, just pull it. Uh-oh. No, bullet is really messing up. Alright, gotcha. Okay, I got it. You know what's happening is all these frames are 100% correct. The bullet gets out, falls down, and falls down. But however, from here to here, things are going completely wrong. You can see the bullets getting back to its position. That's definitely not what we want, right? So what we'll do is we will till the very end we'll put the bullet down. So this is what I mean actually. Put the bullet down. It completely falls down and just get back so quickly. You see now? So what I did once again, um, the gun is going back, the bullet is ejecting out, just falling down and down and down and down and down and down, and at the very end it's quickly getting back to its position. Notice up here, this is the last second frame and this is the last frame, so it's happening so quickly that nobody can even notice that. Alright, so this is how the animation is. So what is this? None. Okay, shooting animation. Again, this one also will be played once, so but for now I'm gonna make it loopable. So this is what it is, guys. You can see that it's great. Now in the future, if we're actually when we're programming this gun, we'll add a muzzle flash. It's or in other words, we're gonna be adding a flash that's gonna be coming out of the gun's what do you call nozzle, so hence again providing an illusion that the gun is actually firing. So yeah, we need to add the sound effect as well. Here I'm gonna show you what actually is ping pong. Now you'll get the clear idea of what ping pong animation is. It's gonna play back and forth. You see, it's playing the animation back and forth. Alright, for now I think I'm gonna make it once. Yeah, so just go ahead and play that, apply that, sorry. So it's done. So this is it, guys. This is how the animations are carried out. In the next video we're gonna be carrying out the animations for the AI. That's gonna be much more interesting. But so again, if you are kind of got all the ideas but you don't want to do this, alright, so you can just go to my website. You get all of this package available for free, so you can just go ahead and download them and throw back to the Unity.